Hello students, so today we are learning about class 12th geography chapter number 4, the human development. So basically if we talk about the human development, first of all we have to learn about the main factor that is completely dependent on the main geographical factor is the growth and development. So if we talk about the growth and development, then we can say that the growth is the main criterion that is completely dependent on the development, and in this factor the growth is also said to be negative and the development is said to be positive. Because if we talk about the growth factor is completely said to be quantitative and the development is completely said to be qualitative. And this is the main difference. If there will be a 2 mark question that if we have to tell about the difference between the growth and the development, so we have to say that the growth is quantitative first of all, the development is qualitative. Growth is always said to be negative, development is said to be positive. And after that, the third point, if we talk about the growth is completely dependent on the development. If there is development, then there will be a sake of growth, and we can say that if development is continuously ongoing, then growth will be possible.
Human development.
Now we will talk about the human development as the centuries are going on and the years are going on. The human development is constantly increasing, and this human development is constantly increasing in different sectors or different areas like education, physical health and the physical prosperities and different factors. So basically these are the different factors on which the human development is constantly upholded. Now if we talk about the human development, first of all we have to learn about the education factor. In that, the education factor is the most important factor. If a human is educated, then he can understand the difference between the growth and the development, and he can completely obscure the difference between the growth and development, as development is completely positive. And if a human is developed, then the human can make changes positively in the nature. And if he is completely quantitative in that factor, then he can only think of the growth without thinking of the development that is ongoing in the complete nature. Now if we talk about the 4 pillars of the human development, first of all the four pillars consist of the equity, the sustainability, the productivity and the environment. Basically if we talk about the empowerment, the basic empowerment factor is that the empowerment is the main contribution of the human for the complete lifestyle of the particular factor. Now if we talk about the equity, basically the equity is the opportunity that is given to everybody. And if it tells about the geographical factor, then it can maintain the sustainability in the natural ecosystem, and can maintain the equity of the natural system. Thank you. बच्चों का ना याद ही नहीं आ रहा था मेरे को.